Hi guys, my name is Robert Cox. I'm a sales consultant at Bloomington Acura, and I'm going to teach you about AcuraLink. Now, besides being able to access how-to guides, scheduling service, and a whole set of features, you also have the AcuraLink app, which unlocks a whole new suite of features. So, grab your phones and let's begin. First of all, you're going to want to download AcuraLink. You're going to go to your App Store or Play Store to do this. So let me go to my Play Store here. You're going to search for AcuraLink. AcuraLink. I just typed in Acura. There it is right on top. Go ahead and install that, and we're just going to go right into it. We're going to open it up. Now, as a sales associate, I can enroll you guys, so all you'll have to do is open the email, create a password, and a PIN code. If that didn't happen for you, just click sign in down at the bottom, and you'll create an account. Otherwise, if that did, just click add my vehicle. Now, I'm just going to go into the demo here for video purposes. Now that we're in the demo, you can see on the lower third, we have our remote command. So we can do start, stop, lock, unlock, locate lights, even honk the horn in case we forgot where we parked in the parking lot. It happens to the best of us. For these start, stop, lock, unlock, those commands, those are by satellite. So you don't have to be within 300 feet of your car. You could do this from anywhere. Maybe you're on a plane coming home, your car is in long-term parking. You can get that warmed up before you even get there. All you have to do is click start. It will tell you when the car turns on. You will have to put in your PIN code. So because I'm in the app, it doesn't require me, or in the demo, it doesn't require me to do that, but you will put in your PIN code. From here, it'll run for 10 minutes. You can extend that one time for an additional 10 minutes if needed. If you are locating your car, let's say you forgot where you parked, or maybe someone took your car, you don't know where it is. The best thing about this is it goes right through Google Maps, and you can see I'm up here in Minnesota, but oh, my car's in California. I can zoom in and see exactly where my car is, even flash the lights and honk the horn to help me find it. Now, if you click this little person on the top left corner there, you can see manage subscriptions in the middle. From here, you can see Concierge, Remote, and Security. These are your different packages. Acura's also come with a basic package that everyone gets. This will be some roadside assistance, things like that. Now, if we look at the bottom, security, this will have a 1-year free trial. I'm going to click on this. You can see what it gives you. So you're going to get that enhanced roadside assistance, automated collision notification. So once the airbags deploy, they automatically call in. For 1 year of this, it is $89 after your 1-year subscription or 1-year free trial. Remote package, this is my favorite. This is what all my customers do. I think this is the best one to have. This will get you that remote start, stop, lock, unlock, locate. For your parents, you can get speed alerts. You can set a perimeter with that geofence alert as well. And this is only $89 per year after that 6-month free trial. And the last one here, Concierge, another 6-month free trial. This is your personal concierge. You can use this to set hotel reservations, airlines, restaurants, whatever it is. This one here is $260 per year after that 6-month free trial. Now, to help you find more information, you can go to Google or whatever browser you use. At the top, you can just go to AcuraLink.com, click on compatibility and pricing, and when we scroll down, you can see it has our 4 main packages: basic, security, remote, and concierge. And in case you forgot what those trials and pricing look like, it's right there for you down at the bottom. Now, with your Acura, you also get AT&T Hotspot capabilities. So this is a separate line you will set up with AT&T, but it allows your car to become a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you're no longer having to use data. This is great for those of you who maybe have sales jobs where you're on the road, or you're just in your car all the time and don't want to use your personal data. Now, I hope you guys liked that brief overview of AcuraLink. If you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, my name's Robert over at Bloomington Acura. Have a wonderful day.